guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and I'm thrilled you joined me today for the brand new February release. We have some awesome goodies today. I'm going to share some card samples and all the products that are being released today. I'll have all the links in the description box for you. You will get a free pack of enamel dots with orders over $60. Once your order qualifies, you'll see the free listing pop into your cart. So let's start with the items that are in the box of the month and the items available for individual sale on the website. So we have two really cute Farm Fresh collections. We have Fresh and Fabulous and On the Farm. So let's go ahead and look at the Fresh and Fabulous. We've got really cute ephemera pieces. I'm going to lay a picture out of all the ephemera for you so you can see what's in this pack. If you want to see in more detail, go back to my sneak peek videos. The papers are really cute. So I'm just going to fan them out. This is my pack, so I've cut into it. But I'll share the cards that I did using this collection. Love the prints in here. They're so pretty. Get some fruit. Really cute. Some bee themed. Florals. Vegetables. There's chickens. So cute. Okay, so let's check out the cards that I did using that collection. So I did, let me take this out of the package. I have two cards in here. So we have one that has really cute glossy accents on the little wand, so it makes it shiny. I think that's so fun. I used doodlebug doilies on all of my cards, and I do have those doilies in the shop. I'll have them linked down below. And then on the inside of my cards, I did add some paper for decoration. And this one says, "Meet me at the farmer's market" on the inside. So cute. Really love how that one turned out. Okay, the next collection is On the Farm. We've got really cute ephemera pieces in here. I'm going to lay out that still shot for you so you can see everything. The paper is so cute. I love this cow print. There's tulips. There's a cute little quilt. Some barnwood, chili peppers, apples, ducks. It's so cute. So I did do this card using the paper from here and the coordinating ephemera. For the sentiment, I used "Thanks a Bunch." I thought it went well with all the bunches of vegetables. And I did use the Easy Wonder Dies #2 to create the layout for this card. So I used those two angle pieces to create different patterns here. And then this little piece here, this square, is also from that die. And I topped it off with a cute little twine bow. Here's the other card that I did. I love this one. I love that cow print. It's so cute. It's just like a pop of color in the background. I have Farm Fresh Smiles for a sentiment. Turned out so cute. Love that paper pad. The 3 stamps that are in the box. Now, if the box is sold out, I have a waiting list in the description box. If you get on that waiting list, I will send out an email blast as soon as one box opens up. And then you are able to subscribe to the box monthly to save 18% off, and that also secures your box for next month. So we have 3 lovely Farm Fresh style stamp sets. This one's called Farm Life. I did use one of the stamps on this card here, Life is Better with Chickens. So I got to use my Distress Oxide ink for that. And then this one says Cluck It, Oink, or Cluck, Oink, Moo, Welcome to Our Farmhouse, and Loving the Farm Life. So you're going to see lots of inspiration throughout the month. We also have a YouTube hop on the 10th. Now this one is called Farmer's Market. We have 2 really cute farm stands. The Sentiment Farmer's Market with a little scene. this one with the cow. I pick you every time. Meet me at the, and then you can pair it up with the farmer's market sentiments, and then thanks a bunch. This one here is called From Our Barn. Love that handmade stamp. We've got nice barn, a cow, some honey. We have a soap. That could be goat soap. We have a bee. The sentiment, you're utterly amazing. Goat soap, from our barn to yours, and hey there. And then the other card that I did use that barn in the background. And then I did use that sentiment, from our barn to yours. This turned out super cute. And let me share the collection for these two cards that I used. So that is from the Paper Pad Club of the Month. So this is one of our favorite subscriptions to be on. You get 2 beautiful paper pads each month, and you have the option to add coordinating ephemera. If you get the ephemera, it will match one of your paper pads that you receive. And usually the other paper pad has nice little cutouts that you can create your own ephemera. So in this paper pad, you get 4 of each, and then you get some beautiful designs to cut out. And let me show you the beautiful cards I did with this Fresh as Cotton. So I love it. I love these beautiful, soft colors. I use the sentiment, every corner tells a story, and that is from our Stamp and Die of the Month. So I'll share that in more detail. And then, of course, I have that doodlebug doily in the background and that beautiful image of the girl reading a book. And then I just added some paper on the inside. This paper is gorgeous. There's some books, beautiful roses in here, a really nice dotted pattern there. I love this knit pattern, so pretty. We have bows, pretty stripes, there's a solid, and then a print of tinier roses. And then here's the other card I did using that paper pad. So for this one, I used the sentiment Cherish Every Moment, and that's from our stamp set a few months ago called Always and Forever. So we do have that in the shop right now. I believe the die is still available as well, and it will cut out your sentiment really nicely. So I thought this card was perfect for like maybe a Sweet 16 or a bridal shower card, a wedding card. So let me know down in the comments what you think this card could be sent for. So our other collection is the Cottage Comforts. Really, really pretty. This one has the coordinating ephemera. So you also get a knit print in this one. This one's more of a 3D look. Beautiful wildflowers on the back. These cute little chicks with straw hats on. Some carrots on the back. This really pretty pattern of kind of like a gingham. There's a tone-on-tone pattern on the back of little butterflies, and then this really pretty butterfly pattern is on the back of that. I love this pattern here. This is so pretty. Looks like driftwood with flowers. So pretty. You get 4 of each sheet. They're double-sided, 12 different designs. And then your coordinating ephemera, lots of cottage-inspired icons in here, and I will have a picture of everything for you. Now let's take a look. Let's take a look at the Stamp and Die of the Month. So your Stamp and Die of the Month, you can purchase as a one-time purchase or join the club. To join the club, you'll use the drop-down menu to select monthly for your frequency. You'll get a new stamp and die delivered to your door every 30 days from the date you purchased. This one's called Cozy Corner, and you can create like little different corners, I guess, in your home. So you could do a little hutch scene with maybe the rug in front of it or the curtains behind it. You can do a little sitting room scene with the little armchair, maybe the table on the side, and put the little flower on top, or have your little cat maybe sitting in the chair or your cat on this cozy little rug, and just have like create a little window in the back with a little scene. You can have a lot of fun with this stamp set. And this is going to be my next video, playing around with this, doing some masking and some coloring. And I think it's just a perfect stamp set. Your die will come on a magnetic sheet so you could store it away easily. We offer free shipping on US orders over $75. We do ship internationally as well. So if you have a favorite collection, let me know what it is down below. I'm going to lay out all my cards again for you. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Happy crafting, guys, and thanks for shopping. Bye, guys.